up, and I have 3 of the snacks that we're going to make on the table. Okay. One is worms coming out of dirt. Another is a Rice Krispie treat kind of monster. And another is an Oreo cookie monster. Can you see? Okay. Well, they're really easy and fun to make. So we're going to start with the Oreos. And what you're going to need are some double stuffed Oreos, some licorice, mine's in red, and some M&Ms.
How many
It looks like you have quite a lot of stuff there.
How many Oreos?
Okay, so let's start off with our Oreo cookies. Out.
How many?
You just the first spider. Okay, what I'm going to use is chocolate frosting. My Oreo cookie, and I'm going to put frosting. Have to be a little careful because getting it on the top of the Oreo. Adding that frosting. Okay. Neatly and evenly on the, and you're going to take, you have red or black too. So okay, so here we go. You can see my spider a little bit. Okay. And then I'm just going to put 2 M&Ms on for the eyes. I think I'll use blue M&Ms. Okay, and I'm going to put a little more. Okay, so here's our first spider cookie. All right. Okay, so the next thing we're going to make that's very easy is we're going to make dirt and worms coming out of the dirt, sort of like a dirt dessert. Okay, so what you're going to need is a little cup, or you can use a big cup if you want, depending how hungry you are. And you are going to need, you're going to need pudding. Let me get my pudding. Okay, I have already going to use. Okay, but before you put the pudding, you probably candy to put it, putting in devil dogs. Pulling up some devil dogs. I'm putting them at the bottom of my cup. Like that. Then I'm putting the pudding on Okay, so the next part is kind of fun. I'm going to take my Oreo cookies and I'm going to chop them up. Okay, so you're going to need 2 Oreos and we're going to chop them up. Okay, first I'm going to break them apart with my fingers. How's it going with you guys?
Can you just slow down for a little bit, please? Because we're not ready.
Sure. Okay, so what I'm doing is just taking Oreo cookies and crumbling them up. And then I want to put them in my cup. So it looks like dirt, of course. Okay. Then you're going to need some gummy worms. Gummy worms? Okay, there you go. Okay, there's your your dirt dessert. Ah!
Nice.
Let Okay. We have one more thing. You're going to need this one. It's either homemade Rice Krispie treats or you can buy them in the store already made. Okay, so here's my Rice Krispie treat. And this gets a little complicated because we have to melt chocolate. You want to get yourself a nice big bar of Hershey's chocolate. And we're going to melt it. So hold on a minute.
We have cocoa powder. Is that okay?
No, I can do That's fine.
How much chocolate should we use?
Okay, you want to use like a half a bar of chocolate.
Okay.
And it should melt really nicely. It doesn't take a long time at all to melt. Okay, I put it on for about 30 seconds and everything melted. Okay, so this is just, I'm using a regular Hershey bar, an extra large size. Okay.
It's still melting.
Still melting? Okay, I'll hold on a minute for you. Okay, you're gonna need your M&Ms once again, and you're gonna need candy corns. So we're gonna take our chocolate, and we are gonna dip our Rice Krispie treat in the bowl of chocolate.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Remember, we're going to need those M. This time you want.
We're really far behind. We're still melting it.
It's okay.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, you can put as many eyes as you want on. Good job. I see what you're doing. You're doing a good job. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. You want to get the whoops. My candy corn fell. Okay, so you want to get the chocolate on half of the Rice Krispie treat, then put some eyes on it, and for its nose. It's pretty simple. These are great to make if you're having a party. Okay, so how's it going, guys? Good, let me see. Can you put some in the camera?
I bit mine.
Oh, that looks really good.
Do you want to see our
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't forget to tune in next month for turkey treats.
All right. Thank you. We'll see you there.